Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be posting a ATI hpss 16R. Sorry if I said that wrong. It's about to sound off in a couple minutes. It's located in the graveyard on Beckley Road. There it goes! This is my first time hearing the ATI. I'm gonna back up a little bit because that was actually quite loud. Sorry if it's really loud. Super loud. I wouldn't recommend doing this, by the way. I'd be glad if the wire snapped. Whoa, wait. It's not supposed to be testing when it's raining. It's raining. Huh? Why is it testing when it's not supposed to be testing? I forgot about this. I won't recommend doing this. I think you can lose your hearing from this. My mom's in the car, probably losing her hearing. Her head's probably burning to the sound since it's annoying. I'd really like it if it was doing high-low and it turned at low pitch. Since this is quite high pitched. Okay.